In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a PDF through Gmail. This is a very simple process, and one that you'll find quite handy when you need to share documents with friends, coworkers, or clients. Imagine you've drafted an email, and now it's time to include that important PDF file. Here's how you can seamlessly carry out this task. First, you need to open Gmail and click on the option to compose a new email. This will bring up a blank email template ready for you to fill in with your recipient's address, subject line, and the body of the message. Now, when you're ready to attach your PDF file, direct your attention to the bottom toolbar of the email window. You'll notice an icon that looks like a paperclip. This is your attachment tool. Once you click on this paperclip icon, a new window will pop up. This window allows you to browse through your computer's files and folders to locate the specific PDF you wish to attach. Simply click on the file you want, and then click Open, and just like that, your PDF is now attached to your email. There is, however, an even quicker method if you prefer more direct interaction. If you've already located your PDF file on your computer, you can also attach it via the drag and drop method. To do this, click and hold your PDF file with your mouse or trackpad, drag it over to the Gmail window, and drop it right where it says Drop Files Here. This method is particularly useful if you're working with multiple files and want to keep the process as streamlined as possible. In both scenarios, once the file is attached, you'll see it listed beneath the subject line of your email. It's a good idea to verify that you've attached the correct document before hitting send. Remember, attached PDFs will appear as a file icon with the file name, making it easy to double-check you've chosen the right file. And just like that, you've successfully attached your PDF file to your email. This process is straightforward, but it's an essential part of utilizing Gmail to its fullest. Whether you're sending work documents, sharing ebooks, or sending important personal documents, attaching PDFs and other files is a fundamental skill in digital communication. Keep practicing, and soon enough, this will become second nature. Thanks for following along with this tutorial on how to attach a PDF to your Gmail emails. Feel free to watch this again if you need a refresher or share it with those who might benefit from it. Happy emailing!